I'm gonna open this up and show you exactly how to do it and get ready to send it off. I have suffered from migraines since I was little. I was like 12 years old when my migraines started, and I've just had issues always. So I recently got my daith pierced to try to help prevent my migraines. You can go and watch that video if you are interested to see how that worked and the process, because I actually videoed while they were actually putting the needle in my ear. It's pretty cool. Anyway, but I've had like kind of a long list through the years of things that I've been checking to see if I can fix with my migraines. Seen many doctors, neurologists, I've had my eyes checked, and some of the ones that were left on my list that were a little crazier, which was getting my daith pierced. Also a food sensitivity test. That is something that I've been really interested in trying. The last thing on my list that I think I'm really afraid is acupuncture. So maybe someday I'll try that. But for right now, this is the next one on my list. So as of right now, the way that our insurance is, it would not cover for me to go to the doctor and get actual allergy tests done, whether it's the skin pricking tests or the blood samples to do. And so I just keep waiting because I keep thinking maybe someday I'll do it, maybe someday, because it's pretty expensive. It can be upwards of $300 to do the skin pricking tests. And that's just for that part of the test. Like then you still have your doctor bill and everything. And some blood tests are up to about $1,000. This is something I wanted to do because I always thought if I could see a wide range of different things, I might be able to change my diet in order to help avoid some of the migraines. So this is an at-home allergy testing kit. The name brand is Everlywell. So basically what you do is you open the kit. It comes with everything that you need inside. You're going to, I believe, prick my finger and get some blood on the card, and then I'm going to send it in, and then I'll be able to get my results. And so watch for that video when my results come in, and we'll see if there's anything in my diet that is causing any issues with me. So it says back here on the back that you need to register your kit. It tells you exactly where to go, everlywell.com. You register the unique kit ID, and then you're going to collect your samples and send it in. And then as soon as it comes back, you will be able to see if any of these 96 foods are causing any kind of sensitivities for you. So it tests for 5 different dairy, 2 different eggs, 16 different types of fruits, 10 types of grains, 5 legumes, 5 meat, 11 different seafood items, 7 seeds and nuts, 20 vegetables, and 15 spices. Let's open it up and see what we have. So right here, it shows us this unique kit ID. So I want to save that aside. It shows you exactly what comes in your kit and the instructions that you will need in order to do this. All right, here they even have a video that you can go watch if you're having any concerns. So there we go. So number 1, we have a lancet. This is what is going to prick our finger to get some blood. We've got a Band-Aid, the alcohol pad, and even some gauze in case we have any issues with bleeding, I guess. And then in number 2, you're going to find exactly this little card that you put the blood on and the bag that you use to send it in. So, and it's nice because inside here they have the exact website and the phone number if you're having any questions or concerns. So that's pretty cute how they set up this little box. It's like super easy. As far as following the instructions, it says to watch the video, prep your space that you're going to be working on. Make sure to fill out your little card here so that you can not have any issues with your sample. You want to make sure that it's all filled out first before you put your blood on there so that you can just kind of cover it like that and stick it right in the bag and be done. You want to wash your hands. Oh, I see. It says warm your hands, not wash your hands. You want to warm your hands up so that you get enough blood flowing into the tips of your fingers so it's not difficult to get the blood drops out. Choose the finger that you want to prick. You're going to poke your finger with a little needle and drip the blood into the right spots. Make sure the card is all perfectly done and do the little cleanup. And right here, it shows the return instructions, how you do that. So I'm gonna go and wash my hands with some nice warm water and get my fingers all warm to help with the blood flow. Okay, so I've got my finger all ready. This is the one that I'm gonna use. They actually give you 2 of these little lancets just in case you don't get enough blood after the first one. You'll wanna use the clean needle instead of reusing this one. I've got all set up here. I've got my Band-Aid ready. You want to clean the finger where you're gonna be pricking it. And all you do is twist off this top, put it right onto your finger like this, and you're gonna just press down. Ready? Here we go. I'm kind of nervous actually. Okay, here, ready? 1, 2, 3. It scared me more than anything. Okay, so now we go. Squeeze. 1 drop. 2 drops. 3 drops. 4 drops. And 5 drops. Okay, this one doesn't have very much. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more to each of them just to ensure that I have enough blood on each circle. Okay, yeah, this was no problem at all. Once I followed the instructions about getting my finger warm enough, look, I have plenty of blood and I'm not even squeezing too hard. So this is pretty easy. Okay, now let me Band-Aid my finger. So I definitely did not have to use my other one, my other lancet. And I only had to prick 1 finger. Kind of startled me a little, but it didn't hurt. Just a quick little prick. Okay, so here's my card full of blood. I'm going to close this to keep it safe. And I'm gonna add some more personal information. And I'm going to put it in the envelope and mail it right back to them. So it says specifically you want to make sure that your blood circles are full and that it's soaked through the back of your card. Okay, so mine definitely did what they said, and now I close it up and I'm ready to mail it off so that I can get my results. I'm actually really excited about this. Here's this bag that they give you, and there is a silica little pouch in there. You want to leave that in there. And so, like I said, I'm going to finish filling this out, stick it right in, and this is what I mail off to them. And I will show you guys what my results are. So come back and check out our next video when I get the results from my blood test. So right under here is the little envelope that your test results go in to mail to them. So that's really nice because they provide that for you. And they give you the return label right here. So it tells you exactly where it's going. Very easy. Just stick this in the mail. It's actually going to be reviewed by a board certified physician. So you know that it is legit and you are getting the best test results you can. And as soon as the results are in, we get an email and I get to read all about it. But anytime you're curious, they have a website that you can go to check your test results, and it's right there on the pamphlet for you. So pretty easy. They're there every step of the way if you have any questions or any problems, and come back and see what my results are when they're in when I get that next video up.